My name is Dr. Nilabh Kajave, and I'm the product development lead scientist at Humabiologics. The problem we are trying to solve at Humabiologics is to give researchers the human-derived biomaterials, which are more reliable and are clinically relevant as compared to the animal-derived biomaterials. So just think of it like we are building blocks from the donated human tissues so that the scientists, they can build the models for skin, tumors, and many different applications, just so that they don't have to do the experiments on people or on the animals. The most important thing I love about this job is that every day when I come, I get to honor the gift of the donated human tissues. And I also love that my work has a real world impact. So knowing that the biomaterials we're developing is going to be used for the future treatments and treating the diseases, it's very rewarding. Most of the important skills are like reading, because when you start an experiment, you just cannot go to the lab and start performing an experiment. You need to have a background. So you need to read the research papers to know what other people have been doing in your field. So once you read the research papers, then you have to use your scientific knowledge to come up with a plan, to come up with the experiment. And once you come up with the experiment, you have to do some calculations of the concentrations or formulations where you have to use mathematics. The most important thing is the collaboration with your peers. One of the best way I have found out is to go to the conferences. Look at the other people's work as well, and you can get an idea, or you can talk to the scientists in the conferences. You can attend their talks and you can brainstorm your ideas at the same time, in the same moment. My path for this journey started from the bachelor's in chemical engineering in India, and then I came to US to do my master's and PhD. And once I completed my PhD, I came to Humabiologics as a postdoctoral researcher. And after a couple of years, I was the lead scientist at Humabiologics. The most important thing is to stay curious. The more you try to gain knowledge, the more you will learn. And the second thing is gain hands-on experience. So make sure you go out there and you do internships, you gain hands-on experience. Don't be afraid to fail, because once you are afraid to fail, then you will not be able to do more things in your life.